like this, and I'm whispering because it's nighttime and people are sleeping in my house. So yeah, I'm just gonna put down my phone so that I can show you. I'm sorry if it's very quiet. Again, I'm whispering, so yeah. Hello guys, sorry if the camera's a bit shaky. Anyway, it has been literal I think 2 months since I last touched that skirt. Things have been crazy. I thought I was literally gonna be moving, and so I was grinding out with packing and schoolwork, and then things fell through the cracks. So here I am. So I'm determined to finish this skirt today. I actually had wanted to buy more white yarn because I felt like it was going to be too short. No, I'm not procrastinating anymore. I am getting this skirt done. I think it's going to be long enough, so I think we're going to be fine in terms of length. And yeah, I miss posting. I haven't posted a video in almost if not 2 months, almost 2 months. I do not like it at all. So that's what we're doing. We're finishing the skirt today. I actually also have to study for a test, so I do have to balance those two things. Plus I have to go to the gym, so it's going to be a busy rest of the day. But yes, that is my intention, that is my plan. It's crazy how these things work. Anyway, yeah. So here I'm just showing the skirt, and then I'm going to show how it can be styled. The first look, I'm just pairing it with some black smiley jeans and a white tank top. Pretty basic, but I'd never tried putting jeans with a skirt before, and I strangely enough kind of like the combination. I think with blue jeans it would look even better. And then here I'm just showing the spiderweb top that I plan to pair it with. I really like this top, and I wanted to see how two pink pieces would look together. It's not my favorite. I think I prefer the jeans, but it is kind of a cool option. A lot of crochet. Here's some silly dancers, and then here is some black and pink, and I really actually like the contrast of these two colors. I think black and pink and white always kind of just go together, so I thought this look was actually quite creative. I've never really done colors like this, especially with the little black pleather skirt underneath. So I think I would wear this one out. It's kind of cute, especially with some jewelry and maybe some fishnet stockings. But yeah, definitely one of my favorites. And then here's just some more close-ups of the skirt. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. I'm wondering if you guys would be interested in a tutorial for this skirt. I feel like it's a pretty straightforward design, but if you guys are interested, then I would be more than happy to make a tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you enjoy my content, and turn on the post notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Like I said, I'm really excited to be posting again, and I hope to have lots of cool videos and tutorials for you guys coming out as consistently as I possibly can. Bye!